Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can make your own playlist on Amazon Music. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your Amazon Music app. And after opening the app here, you can see this is your home page, and in here you have to now tap on the library option right here. Here you can see currently I don't have any playlist. So if you do have a playlist and if you want to create one, you will be able to see the option of new playlist. But in here you can see since we don't have any playlist right now, there is the option of get started. So simply just tap on get started. And in here, you can see there are two different options. The first one is creating your playlist manually, and the second one is creating with your AI. We're going to create it manually, so simply just tap on the first option. And then here you can see now you have to name your playlist. And after you've done that, in here you can see there is the option of public. So if you enable this option, your playlist will be public. If you don't want this playlist to be public, you can tap on this toggle button like this and turn it off like this, and then tap on save. And now in here, you can see you have now successfully created a playlist. Now all you have to do is add in the songs. So simply just tap on the option add song. And in here now search the song or album or the artist that you want to add in the playlist to. So after you have typed down the artist name or song name, you can tap on the return option on your keyboard. And then in here, you can see these are the top result and you can choose what song to add. I'm simply just going to add in the first song. So I'm going to tap on this plus icon that you can see right here. So after you've done that, now again, you can tap on the search bar and search for other songs that you want to add in. And just like this, here you can see I can add in the another song. Again, tap on the plus icon right here. And then you can go back. And here you can see in your music list, there are two different songs. And just like this, you can make your own playlist on your Amazon Music. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.